The spaceship malfunctioned and landed on a strange planet. When the astronauts opened the hatch, they were stunned by what they saw. On a planet 6 billion kilometers from Earth, the landscape was exactly the same as on Earth. The first thing that caught their attention was a dog. Strangely enough, the dog did not move. The astronauts wondered if they had gone back in time because the trees here were exactly the same as on Earth. There was also an old tractor that was used on Earth 200 years ago. Then the captain noticed that there were two suns in the sky. This meant that he and his crew had not traveled back in time and were on a planet very similar to Earth. Then the three entered the farm and found a farmer with his back to them. The captain greeted him, but he stared blankly into the distance and did not move. It was a frightening sight and made them feel uncomfortable. They left the place in a hurry. The three met a fisherman on the bridge. The crew ran towards him excitedly and asked how many fish he had caught, but the man did not answer. As the team put their hands on his shoulders, the man fell to the ground. Suddenly they heard the sound of drums in the distance, and when they reached the source of the sound, the music coming from a loudspeaker. It seemed like a welcoming ceremony was taking place there, welcoming the mayor to the city. The place was full of people holding welcome banners, but everyone was motionless. Even the clock had no hands. This left the three of them very perplexed. It was like a hallucination. The captain decided to split up and meet again in an hour.